Bro, he's got a collar. Haram, he's like running around. He's gonna run on the freaking roads. He's so cute, man. What's wrong? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? He's just chilling in my car somewhere. Oh, he's sleeping on my car. So he's taking over my car. He's gonna drive my car. So that's where he's going.
Hey. Hey. I got you. I got you. You're a funny boy. Hey, you want your lunch? It's lunchtime. You hungry? Come on. Come on. Come on, you're not gonna fall. Johnny.